안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone. I am your Korean mentor. Today we will learn vocabulary from 181 to 200. If you did not watch the video 161 to 180, click on I button or visit my channel's playlist. Vocabulary. Oh hui. Oh hui. Our first word is mouse. Tree. Tree. Here we use jyot in the start and after jyot we use double consonant v. Chvi. Chvi. Sun. Hey. 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 Degree. To. 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 Girlfriend. Yojachingu. Yojachingu. Yoja mean girl, chingu mean friend. Yojachingu. Boyfriend. Namjachingu. Namjachingu. Namja mean boy, chingu mean friend. Namjachingu. Train. Gicha. 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 Bus. Bosu. 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 Spinach. It's a green vegetable. Shigamchi. 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 Cat. Koyangi. 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 Rainy. It's a season. Piunan. 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 Tomato. 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 Cherry. 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 Car. Jadongcha. Jadongcha. Jadong mean automatic, cha mean car. Jadongcha. Bike. Otobai. 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 Scooter. Sukuto. 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 Boat. Bay. 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 Plate. Jopshi. 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 Leg. Dhari. 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 Right. Sun. 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 Chair. Ouija. 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 So I hope you enjoyed the video. Download the PDF file from description box. Like the video, share with your friends and ask question in comment box. And follow me on Facebook page. 감사합니다. Thank you.